A soul weighed down by hatred could never possibly know peace. Terry, do you know? There's a term for that in Asia. They call those souls Shura.
For an investigation, I always make sure we have the numbers. It makes work go a whole lot smoother that way. Sorry.
Yeah, you're royal, all right. A royal pain in the ass. Time to take you down! Katosen! Tao Hisaku Shinobi Machi!
Hikasho! Did that?
What do we do now?
We aren't finished yet!
You've still got some fight in you, right?
Sure do. Andy?